And we are live. Let's get YouTube up here. It is almost public. Here we go. Public visibility. And we're good. We are fully live back here for the GMTK. Let's do this thing. Well, today's exciting. This is the final day I get to work on the GMTK. Or share that out to. Wait, hold on. Spelling mistake. Okay, so about the state of the project. Things are looking interesting. Right now I'm working on tools. We have automation systems, but it's not like I think the game is lacking some fun. See, okay, let me show you what we have so far. We have conveyor belts that can move items. We can move items to the collector, and the collector is going to fulfill the quota. We can also deconstruct items into parts. We can craft them together into new ones. And then as you see, sometimes they'll catch on fire and explode. The issue is, I feel like it's still missing something. Like it's not there. Okay, and there's a bug. And I don't know what it is. Right now I'm adding a tool to actually repair things that catch on fire. So if you see, if we wait like a few seconds, these conveyors will catch on fire. Let's see. All right, conveyors, do your thing. Wear out. But anyway, yeah, there we go. It'll catch on fire, and then 5 seconds later, it will explode. So I'm working on a tool that will just allow you to fix it if it's on fire. But I'm not sure like how I want to make this a more enjoyable experience. Because I feel like every level is it's just the easy solution, right? Just do something like this, boom, boom. Oh, well, hold on. Timer ran out. Boom, 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 boom. This, and then that, and that, and that, and then the puzzle is now solved, and you just have to make sure it doesn't blow up. And I feel like there should be something else. Okay, it broke again. I don't know why it broke again. There should be something else to make the game more fun, but I don't know what that is. I'm at a loss. So we're going to be ignoring that and just working on a tool because I honestly, I don't know what to do. Working on some better art for this. Also some particle effects. We're going to be polishing things up, probably making the game feel finished. Get some music sound effects. And then if we somehow have a revelation along the sides, somehow get a revelation on how to make the game more fun, I can work on that. So what this is going to need probably is some sort of texture. I'm not sure if I should do this with sprites. So I guess sprites can detect being clicked. Right. Will you base? Nope. Okay. No, it does not have that. Just no, and we can't make it a button. Or can we? If we do it at text direct, Mouse entered, mouse exited. No. GUI input. No. Okay, well, it has to be one of them. Let's look this up. Come over here. How to detect click on input event. Okay. I've been okay. Okay. So it has to be an area? That's interesting. Well, unclick and set square. Okay, so I think it has to be an area. So we'll just create a node to be. We'll name this tool button. We'll give it a sprite. Let's make sure we actually put it somewhere. Where are you? I think we need to put at about there. And then the tool button can be there. For the sprite, I have created a sprite. Let's see, sprites. Why is it sprite sheet.png? Do we have multiple sprites here? Sheet.png. No, let's get rid of that. We need to export this as sprites.png. Okay. We give it this sprite, and then we clip it down to here. This is the border. And then we create another one inside that is this. Make it a child of this, and we say clip. Filter clip. There should be a clip children. Let's see. Visibility, drawing, clip children, clip only, clip and draw. Okay. Oh, that's how that works. Interesting. Okay, well then we should probably instead. It looks like it's clipping where it draws and not like its bounds. So we'll just clip this box one here. Clip only. Okay, yeah, so nothing changed. But basically, when we move this, it'll only show inside the rack, and so we can have like a little window that comes down like, and then have like a tool behind it. If it like shows up, there could be like a little tool there. And yeah, so oh hello. What's the go to for sound effects? I generally use BFXR, or I have a website that I can never find every single time. It's one spelling of this that I can never find. I should have it bookmarked. JFXR. I think this website is the best one here. I'll just put it down. This one is the best one here for me. Just like doodling around with sound effects. And then I'll combine this. I'll go to like freesound.org. Okay, I misspelled it. freesound.org. I'll go to this website, get free sounds, and then I'll like layer them on top of each other. So yeah, that's what I normally do for sound effects. But sound effects will come in just a second, because I am working on tool window. So let's animate this real quick. And actually, we should probably name this. Let's name this cover mask, and cover, and seed border. Let's give this an animation. Animation player. Animation new show. Bezier curve. Bezier curves is my go-to for animating like stuff because I really like fine-tuning the curves and making their motion feel good. Um, yeah, okay. So we want to animate cover and its position, and not its X, only its Y. One sort of key here. This is show. So show is probably gonna have that go out there. This go here, and then the value will be -16. Okay, no. And then yeah, there we go. We just play this. Maybe he's a bit slower. There we go. That looks not bad. But it's still kind of bad. And that's because its curve is weird. I always forget how to zoom in. There we go. I usually like not having an ease in, ease out, and more like ease in for falling, things like that. Yeah, that seems fine to me. Looks fine to me. And then we'll just duplicate this for hide. Actually, we should have probably... This one is hide. Oh well, we'll just reverse the order of the things. Yeah, there we go. And hide. Okay. Yeah, looks good to me. And reset is just that. Okay, cool. So that works. Now we do need to put a thing inside of this. That'll detect when we click it. And I think we can just put an area 2D, give it a collision shape that is a box, like that. And then we need to have a script on this, probably. New script, yeah, toolbar. We'll want a signal to emit when it's clicked. Signal clicked. And then, let's see, function clicked. And we'll do, oh, no, these are the same name. OnClicked. OnClicked and omit. Okay, and then we should have a boolean here. Let's see, dot is enabled equals false. And we'll just on process. If it is not enabled, if it is enabled, do animation player. Try. If the animation player dot play, see, show, otherwise we can make it play the hide animation because we just want it to not show that it's enabled. Okay, cool. And then we should probably also not emit it if not is enabled. This is speed programming here. If not is enabled, return. It's an error. Function. Okay. Delta. Used. Okay, good. Done. Tool button done. And then we need to connect. I think input event onto. Okay, there's no compatible things. We need to connect it onto here. Connect. Okay, created it for us. We'll actually just move this over here. If event dot is, we should look at, what was that? What did it say the last time? How do you detect? Is action pressed? Oh, we'll do is underscore action pressed. Place is my left clicked action. And we'll do that. Okay, let's see if this works. Hold on. Okay. I got distracted. Area 2D. Unclicked event. We need to connect this to. Unclicked. Let's connect this to the world and make it select the conveyor. Okay. And we'll duplicate this. And we'll make this one connect to the select delete. Okay. Now we need to just enable both of these. Tool button. And let's just set these enabled by default. Come on, get out. Come on, get out. Here we go. Okay, let's see if this works. Okay, it's looping. That's we don't want it to loop. How do we make this not loop? What? Oh. Oh, because we're continuously calling play. Is there a one shot? No. Shoot. We'll do this. This is a little bit of programming. Is enabled cache false? If is enabled cache does not equal is enabled. This will just make sure it's only called once. Is enabled cache equals is enabled. Boom. Okay. Cool. Cool. There we go. Now if we click, okay, good. And if we click that, okay, not good. Can't tell if it's like not detecting clicks. We should print click. Okay, let's see. Is that one work? Okay, it's not detecting the clicks. Interesting. They lied to me. Those Reddit users. Well, now I don't know. Because we connected this. Mid when an input occurs, requires oh, okay. And at least one call input pickable. We have to make input pickable true. Oh, it is true. I'm at a loss. Does anyone know how to detect if um an area 2D is clicked? Because it's not working. Video. Sorry. Uh, huh. Well, oh no, shoot. Why is this the part? That's always like the weird things that I've never done before. I mean, it makes sense. What if you make a variable called mouse over and then the mouse over enters it true, and if it exits it false? When you receive an input for a click, you perform the action. Yes, I do think that, but the issue is we're not even detecting a click. There's no, like I'm clicking right now and there's nothing logging here. Oh, you mean like if I detect a global click, that could work, actually. Um, let's see. You're right, that could work. Let's see. Mouse enter, mouse inside equals false. Mouse enter type mouse inside equals true. My hands are faltering, pressing all the wrong keys. Mouse inside equals false. Okay, and then instead of that, we'll do function input. We'll do its action. Boom. If not is enabled, or not mouse inside. We can return and we can get rid of this. Look, we should probably print click here. And then we do need to disconnect that. No, not disconnect that. We need to disconnect this and connect this. The tool button, mouse center, connect. Don't want to open that. Connect. No. Stop choosing the world. I want to choose the tool button. Mouse leave. Connect. And we'll do it. We'll delete this one. Just duplicate it. Move it down. And connect this one to select delete. Okay, let's test. Let's test. Let's see if it works. No. It is detecting click. Oh, that's just detecting a bunch of inputs. What did I forget? Okay. Detect this click here. Okay. So it's detecting click. Is mouse, no, mouse inside. Okay, that one's false. No. It's not detecting the mouse entering. Interesting. Mouse enter. Mouse leave. It's not detecting that. Okay. Why? Why are these area 2Ds not picking up anything? Why? Why? Literally input pickable is true. It has a collision bit. I think we're just gonna put an invisible button. You know, this is the solution here. We're gonna put an invisible button because, like, what is this? Um, Clicked. You know, when things just aren't working, gotta just, for the sake of time, just like move on, try something else, even if it's more jank, like adding an invisible button like this. So this button here will go all here, and its modulate is gonna be invisible, and then when it clicked, we're gonna have it, select, put here, and clicked. Okay, connect. Good. Duplicate this again. Edit. Should really make this a scene. Select delete. Okay, this has to work. This has to work. This has to work. Okay, well, they're on top of each other. Okay. Did it work? Yes. Yes. Let's go. Let's go. Nice. There we go. So if we click on this, we get conveyors. If we click on this bottom one, we get the delete tool. Yes. Okay. Let's make this a scene. Toolbar, scenes, toolbar. And the issue here is we need to also say, you know, what was the item that it's actually holding? Because if we quick load, we do like, we'll need to make a sprite for, we'll need to make a sprite sheet. Hold on. Okay, wait, we need a sprite for conveyor. So let's create a atlas. No, hold on, that's the wrong menu. Create new resource, atlas texture. Conveyor. I'm making sure this spelled conveyor correctly because previously it was not. Sprites, add a region. Conveyor is here. Conveyor is here. Or perhaps we should make like an icon. Yeah, let's make an icon instead. We're gonna need to expand the sprite sheet more. Boom. Take that, put it over, and let's take the conveyor, which is here. There we go. Control V, paste that here. We're just gonna construct how it looks in game. Boom. 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 Okay, so this is our conveyor here. We'll just make that the we'll make that the texture instead. Yoink. Okay, so now we can assign the texture here. Now the issue is it's too big. So what we need to do, my issue is that it's gonna increase size if we give it a bigger one. Yes, we should just scale it down like this. That seems weird. Maybe we need to give this a texture rec so it can have some sizing stuff. Give it a conveyor. Nor size. Cube aspect. Yes, okay, this works. This works because it'll scale it to fit inside. Yes, okay, that's good. Now this will render. This won't look exactly like this because it'll be downscaled once we actually go into the game, and it also needs to go behind everything. There we go. Okay, yeah, here we go. Okay, that looks kind of strange. Because it's not supposed to be downscaled. But I guess it is what it is. I don't know what else to do. We should probably have a tool button, and it takes in a texture. At export var texture to D, and we'll just ready. What is this called? Texture rec. Texture rec. Texture equals texture. Okay, and we'll need a X. So let's draw an X here. Uh, is this a good X? This looks like a fun X. Does that work? Maybe we should make it a bit smaller. That looks like a crosshair. Okay, that'll be our X. And let's make an X. We actually didn't export. Export. Call this delete. We'll set the region to here. Ooh. Okay. This tool button. Put down. Set its. This one's texture is the conveyor. This one's texture is the delete. And we need to assign this again. Connect to the world. It's the select delete. This one, connect, is gonna select conveyor. Okay, let's see how this looks. Okay, the old that's not how the X is supposed to look. It's a bit fat. Well then maybe this will work? Okay, that still looks strange. This? Okay, there we go. That's proper. We should probably actually give a background to these using a color rack here. I'm using UI in 2D just because it's nice. We'll give it this. And then when they open, yeah. Maybe actually we should give it this color instead. Let's see. Yeah, that works, I guess. Yeah, it's fine by me. Okay, let's add the rest of the tool buttons. So we need a tool button for. Actually, we need to draw the rest of these. So it's gonna be one here, and it's gonna take in constructor, which looks like that. But we should move it down a bit. Constructor. Then the deconstructor, which looks like this. And then the splitter, which looks the same. Except it uses this. I think that's all of our right here. That's 5. That seems to work for me. And let's make. You have to export this. We got to make sprites for each of them. Conveyor, constructor. I think one of the main issues here is that there's only a select amount of tiles to actually use. But I don't know, because I think it would be really interesting if there was more ones, especially silly ones, because that usually is, fun in the games a little bit. Silly how you have a factory that's blowing up. But I don't have any ideas for new tiles, except maybe like a portal. Yeah, it's kind of OP. It's just like a instant conveyor belt. So, if you have any ideas for tiles, that would help a lot. Because okay, so like the general like idea behind the game is that it's like things are going wrong as you're trying to build a factory, and you're just like powering through as the time limit is ticking down, and you're just trying to meet that quota. Um, oh, so yeah, that's kind of the concept behind it. let's give this the constructor. Actually, let's give this the splitter. Splitter. Give this the constructor. Give this the deconstructor. Oh, we'll actually set. We'll make sure both of these are up. And we actually need a tool. This will be the wrench. We need to draw a wrench. Let's take this. What does a wrench look like? Maybe like... Not like that. No, I'm gonna get a picture of a wrench. Okay. So maybe something like this. Does that look like, that looks like a fixing tool? I think this works as a fixing tool. Ooh, we should probably give an outline to this actually. Because everything else has an outline. But then we'll give an outline to this as well. Oh shoot, yeah. That's the issue though, is that this is encapsulating the full outline. Maybe we can move this in one. It's okay, that still is an X. Okay, yeah, that should work. And we'll do wrench here. Wrench is going to be, let's actually just move this over. Plus 60 minus 1. Okay, and then we'll give this one up here. We'll give this one the wrench. Let's see how this looks. Okay, well, it's not the best looking. It's, you know, it is what it is. And then actually, I kind of want to swap these two so that we can have the two tools in the same spot. Yeah, there we go. And let's move all of these up to be centered. That, and things aren't looking bad. Hopefully. I don't know. What do you think? You think? Does it look terrible? Okay. Let's set up the selecting here. Select, delete. This one is the splitter. So we'll select splitter. Connect. This one is the wrench. So we'll just disconnect that for now since it has nothing. This one is the constructor. We'll pick the constructor. And this one is the deconstructor. So let's pick the deconstructor. Okay, test again. Make sure I didn't mess it up. Okay, so that one's not working. Let me think. Give me a second. Looks like I've returned to 0 viewers. Sorry about that. We're back again. Um, okay. This works. This does not work. I mean, that works. That does not work. This works. Okay. So which one here? Which one here is going to connect to the constructor? There we go. Constructor, yeah, we need to select the constructor. Connect. Let's make the repair tool now. The repair tool will automatically repair um, anything that's like on fire. So anything that gets on fire, you can select the repair tool and then just like go over it to repair it. That's what I'm thinking. But instead of having to like rebuild it and like redo that whole thing. So yeah. You know what? This man's cooking. I am indeed cooking. I'm indeed cooking. I'm on my way to the full cook. What? I'm not there yet. We need selected tile. Selected air walls. Blank. Select. Selected. True. Selected tile equals null. Yep. There we go. Boom. Boom. Actually, we need to set that to false. Okay, and then we need to check if we are placing. Okay. Selected tile equals null. If selected repair tool. Okay, so if we have selected the repair tool. If tile map, right? Tile map location dot repair. Just call it repair, and then we'll have a tile. C in air. And then on this, we'll check. Let's see. Where's the tile? Conveyor. We'll check if random where, if as node random where, then we'll random where dot random where function pass, then we'll do dot repair. And what this needs to do is say spawn smoke is false. Time till explode equals random range. I realized I misspelled this. I don't know if that's the correct spelling, but we'll just do that. Let's create a var for smoke. OTP for the smoke. I'll just say smoke equals that. If smoke is not equal null, we should delete it. Smoke that cube. Wait. Okay, let's try out the repair tool. Actually, we haven't set it to selected yet. Let's try out the repair tool is here. Connect, pick, select, repair. Connect. Okay, let's see if the repair tool works. Okay. Let's wait for it to catch on fire. We're waiting for it to catch on fire. Oh, okay. There we go. Repair. Oh, okay, it works. Yeah, nice, nice. Now the issue is, okay, let's try actually playing the level. Let's split this. That goes in there. That comes out here. Try to put that in. That in. Put a split. Oh, no. Yeah, we need to deconstruct here. Repair, repair. Boom. Boom, boom. Okay, there we go. And then we can have the repair tool. And then we just like. Okay. We just. Well, I'm not. Maybe the repair tool is a bad idea. Because the issue here is that it becomes super easy to just sit here and repair stuff now. Oh shoot. Repair, repair. Come out. Shoot. Maybe it's not so easy. Repair, repair. Repair. Okay. I think it can work. Uh-oh. Oh no, this is happening. Oh shoot. It's gonna blow up. I'm not getting any of the stupid. There we go. Okay. Yes. I think that's not bad actually. It's actually not bad. Um. Cool. Okay. And then we can do stuff like this. Um. Deconstruct this in here. Craft, split, up, side, boom. And we can actually, oh, repair. Repair. We can actually take a constructor here, put that down, repair. And we can get extra batteries. Yeah, look at that. Higher efficiency, I guess. Oh, repair that. And then we can just like set it up here and rack up a really high score. Look, 20,000. That's a good score. Okay, actually the game is not bad. We need more interesting levels. But it's not terrible. Now I should redo all this other user interface. So this is better. This is not yet. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do that. Let's end repair tool though. Repair tool has been committed. Okay. Teeny factory. Let's do a little logo. T T knee teeny. That's kind of a playful thing. And then and then factory. We'll make this like cold and hard. Factory. Factor. 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 E. You still need to push this up a little bit more like that. We should put this here instead so that we can actually have room to do stuff. Okay, let's put an outline here. Does this look fine? Maybe. That doesn't look so bad, right? Teeny factory. That works. That doesn't look. Let's shade this. And boom. 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 Yoink. 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 Okay. Yeah. We should probably shade this too. It's not looking so bad. Although, the E shading. How about that? Yeah, something seems off. Like here. in here too. Well, that can be our that can be our logo right there. Let's add that in here actually. So the main menu here. Let's give it a text direct, which means that we'll probably text directs don't have a region. Yeah. Actually, what we can do is we can do Atlas, quick load, G, and select this. Teeny factory. Okay, that's not how it's supposed to look. What is this? Oh, why is it scaling like that? Ugh. Keep size. Keep. Okay, there we go. Teeny factory. Let's put it like this. And then I feel like it'd be kind of cool if there was like a bar across here that was like colored like like this. Okay, not like that. That covers the whole thing. Something like this. Rotate it slightly. Bring it down. Put it across, and then we'll have to do this and to make it thicker. Maybe it's a bit too angled, and then give it. What if we give it like that? And then we have we need a better play button. How does this look? Okay, yeah. If we give it an actual play button, it might look fine. Yeah, we can just do this probably. Move it in. We can then do. Move it. Let's move it in. And that looks fine to me. Let's extend this a little bit. I'm just making a play button. You know, nothing too fancy. And then this offset's right. Okay. Okay, so then probably should change this button. Actually, let's duplicate it for now, just so we don't get rid of it. Change type. Extra button? No, we'll need to create an atlas here. Put that in, hide that. we still get it connected. Good, good. I'm gonna just delete this out. And we should save this. Is it gonna save it anywhere? Save as. Unique first. Make unique. No, 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 no. We'll need to save this. Save. Oh, save as. There you go. Scenes, sprites. Play. Button. And then if we get the sprites, we just gotta like give it to this. All of them are gonna get it. Bam, bam, bam. And then we need a pressed one. So we'll do this. To fill this in first section. Just will be a pressed. Play button, pressed. Pressed. Yeah. Okay, well, it did not swap. What? What? What is that? Okay, there we go. What? Um. Okay. We're gonna say that that's main menu improvement. We're gonna say that's okay. And we're gonna enact my favorite trick of all time. The best trick to make anything feel more high quality and also induce motion sickness a little bit. Because that's a thing. Is to do this. Get mouse offset equals get mouse global mouse position. Subtract that from global position and we'll set our global position equal to the mouse offset 2.5. Okay, this is where we should set it to the opposite, negative mouse offset. Okay, yes. It's too much. Times 1. 1.1. Okay, so this is where things get interesting. Where, you know, it's like maybe we should smooth this out. Funk. No. Smooth position. 0. 2.0. Position equals smooth position, and then smooth position equals fixed lerp smooth position. This we'll just do 4 delta, and then Freya Homer is this really good video lerp on how to do an actual lerp, and the code is right here. So we'll just copy this. B fixed lerp A B K delta turn B plus B A times the exponent of negative decay times delta, and boom. Let's see how this looks. Okay, that looks ridiculous. What is happening? Did I miss? I think I must have mistyped something. Oh wow, I have a lot of windows open. B plus. Oh yeah, A minus B. There we go. Okay, but why is it slow? Um, I know why. I know why. Let's see, original position. Just font ready. Original position. Yeah, there we go. There we go. That looks good. This is my ultimate trick for uh like motion sickness. Let's make sure there's no gaps. Actually, I don't know. What is that? What is that? Why is it doing that? Why? Maybe my ultimate trick isn't good. But why is it doing that? That's weird. Um, I'm just gonna make this like really, really small. And it'd be like 2. So it's like super lazy. Maybe we should have it like less lazy. Um, I kind of don't like now. Uh, Dang it. I guess it doesn't work for every game. I'll just comment this out in case I feel like it. Failed camera. We should add camera shake though, because that's gonna so that it's less static. I don't know. I feel like just a little bit of camera bob could be good. Like, I don't know. Maybe this isn't so bad. Yeah, that's not bad. Maybe it's the 9 slice. It could be the 9 slice. Dude. We disable. Honestly, that looks kind of cool. Oh yeah, it was totally the 9 slice. The 9 slice just bugged for some reason. But honestly, this kind of looks cool. Like, I guess we're just gonna a 9 slice. So okay, that's fine. That looks good then. Camera movement, camera movement back. Let's do some camera shake. I might just like copy my camera shake code from my other game. Yeah, let's do that because we can do that. It is technically allowed. We're allowed to reuse scripts. It's not even the same language, so we can't copy it. We're just rewriting it. Shake timer. Okay. Let's see. R shake timer equals shake. Right. Shake. Shake. Intensity 0. Okay. Shake. How are we gonna like let anything shake? Oh. We'll do this. We'll have in our static, we'll just have the camera. Ready. Static dot camera itself. We'll do its name camera. Set this to camera and shake 10. Okay, so we're going to be pasting C# code in. It's not going to work because the name's incorrect. Shake equals max intensity shake intensity. What game? Okay, so this is GMTK, and the theme is built to scale. So I'll show you what I have so far. Basically, you have a time limit, 60 seconds, to produce this quota with this factory. So that means placing down conveyor belts. Let's put a crafter here. No, this is gonna be strange. Shoot. Let's do this. That means crafting stuff like this. And fixing things as they blow up, like you just saw there. Yes, kind of. And the idea here is it's a bit more like fast paced and out of control because you got to fix them as they catch on fire, and if you're like building and you stop paying attention to it, it'll explode like that. And I didn't meet the quota, so but yeah. And yeah. Now this is UI's bug, ignore that. One of the lingering issues here is that I think the game is missing something, but I don't know exactly, so I'm just polishing up getting it to a state where I'm like, okay, I could submit it now, and then I'm gonna look back and I'm gonna say, okay, what are some things that I could do to make the game just straight up more interesting? Which I'm adding screen shake right now, and I'm just taking the code from my other game. Shake timer. Equals delta. Shake timer. Shake. 0. Shake timer equals 0.03. Shake direction equals 2.right.rotated. This is some high quality math here. F range from 0f to pi times 2, and then shake position equals shake direction times pow shake intensity times 2.5. Shake intensity equals fixed shake intensity 0.14 delta. And then we'll just add our position to this. And now we can do, when a tile finishes placing, like this, we can do static.camera.shake, and then we can do like 0.5. Now, this is where things get. Yes, there we go. That's good. Ooh, but maybe it's a bit too much shake. There. Okay, and now there's no shake. Let's give explosions. Wait, random where. Let's give it a big shake. Let's give smoke spawning. Do static.camera shake 0.5. We'll do this. We'll give it a 2. Give it a 1.5. Let's see how this looks. I always love camera shake. Camera shake is such a good effect. Okay, so we place down. Nice. Okay, now we just have to wait for it to catch fire. Come on, catch fire. Yes. Oh yeah, yeah. That makes the explosions feel impactful. Yes. Watch it gonna all explode. Yes. Yeah, that's good. That is good. Yes. I'm a freak. Let's give a camera shake to the repair tool as well. Do repair tile camera dot static dot camera dot shake 0.3. That. I'm repairing, and the screen is shaking. Yeah, but no, that's cool. Maybe we can. We should do a little squash and stretch now. Some more shakes. Also, my music stopped. Play music again. Good. All right. Let's get some squash and stretch. This is another one of my favorite effects. Especially, we'll put it on the items for now. Item is what I'm thinking. Let's go on the rod. Squash. No 2D. Squash and stretch. And we're going to be yoinking this from my game as well. Because I can. I've already programmed it. I'm just reusing it. Don't want to get angry. Okay, let's see. Float speed. Let's see. Bar speed equals 12. Process. Target dot scale equals. We need to use fixed lerp. Equals fixed lerp target scale vector 2.1 speed delta. Okay, and then we'll just do function squash trigger scale 2 speed float speed equals speed, and then target that scale equals scale. Then what we'll do is we'll do the child. For item, we'll do if has node squash and stretch. We'll do squash and stretch dot trigger scale back to, let's do 1.4 and 0.6, and we'll put it at 12. Why not? Let's see how this looks with the rods. Oh, there was no target. Shoot, I forgot to assign it. Boom. Okay, that looks not bad. But maybe we need to give it a bit less speed. Okay, that can work. Okay, repair that. Boom. Yeah, we need to get some squash and stretch on the conveyors for sure. But let's add the squash and stretch to all of the items now. Boom, 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 boom. I actually don't have any levels where I craft like the higher tier. Like, oh, there's 2 here. Let's get rid of this. Because I have like terminals and stuff, but I actually don't have any levels where we craft those, and that's like a 3 thing tree, so I'm not even sure if they're possible. But it might be. That might be part of the missing fun of like crafting higher tier things. Because right now the tiers are like only two tiers, you know? Yeah, okay. Let's do some squash and stretch on the conveyor. Tiles, conveyor. Let's add so we can just copy this in. Give it animated. Well, the issue here is that here, we'll do this. No TD. Do squash target. Put that in the middle. All this gonna go in the squash target. No, in the squash target. Yeah. It's gonna take the squash target, and then in tile, we'll do the same thing as an item. if his placing squash and stretch here. What was that? Scale on null instance. What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean null instance? What? Oh, I didn't assign any of the things in the items. That would make sense. That's why it's not working. This tedious process. Yoink. 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 I feel like, I don't know why, but I feel like the games just get so much more enjoyable with a little bit of effects. But I feel like that shouldn't actually happen. Like, I feel like... Oh, yeah. I don't know if it's just me, but when I see that, like, that just fills my soul. Right there. Just, oh. Oh, yeah. Why is that so satisfying? Yes. That's beautiful. Oh my god. Yes. Okay. Ooh. Yes. Why I keep saying yes. Okay, let's see. Let's do this. I know this is gonna be cool. Constructor. Let's add, oh shoot, we need to add, the conveyor has a squash and stretch, but none of the other ones have squash and stretch. This needs it. Oh, no, this isn't even animated. Oh, that's right, because that doesn't actually get dropped. The constructor, here we go. This gets animated. Send a note to D. Let's call this squash origin. Put all of this inside the squash origin. Boom. Okay. Deconstructor. We'll get this as well. This doesn't have an animation. We'll need to animate that in a second. The spawner and the splitter. The splitter doesn't have animation either. Okay. Well, actually, we'll animate these now. Because we should. Animation player. We'll add a node. Child node to D. Animated position. Animated position. That's not spelled correctly. Animated position. Yoink. Actually, we should add another node here. We call this squash origin. And yoink, yoink, and boom. Yeah. Okay. And then we can do this. Oh wait, actually, I just realized we didn't move this squash origin to the center. We need to do that. Okay, I believe that's good. The constructor is squash origin is at here though, so let's move everything outside. Move this to the center. Put this inside again. Squash origin. Okay. Let's see if this works. This has animation. Good. This has animation. Good. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Okay. Let's go to the splitter. Um, One day I'll make a game, but the only thing is good effects. That's the only thing I'll do. Animated position. Okay, and we'll do node 2D squash origin shadow. Put that inside. Actually, no, because we need to put that in the center. Put all that inside. And then we do need to take this, all of that. Boom. Squash origin gets assigned here. Okay. Splitter should now be animated. Splitter is animated. Good news. Okay, sweet. Now one thing that is bothering me is the collector has their like thing here. It's snap. Why is this being rendered above? Oh well. not the most important thing in the world. Um Oh, that's so good sound. I mean, not, it doesn't have even sound effects yet. That's so good feeling. Oh yeah. And what we'll do actually is we'll go to the constructor move area and we'll do tile. We'll take this and we'll copy this in here so that whenever the constructor move area, the deconstructor move area emits something, let's see, produce timer. We'll make it squash. If tile dot has node, we'll do tile dot get node squash. We'll do the same thing for the deconstructor down here. Okay, now watch this beautiful beautiful thing. So okay, maybe we need to maybe we need to have a different squash and stretch for this, so it's not the whole squash and stretch. See, activate squash and stretch. To activate squash and stretch, and here activate. Good. Okay, this will focus only on rotation visibility. Rotation visibility. We'll do the same thing for the constructor, where it will take the rotation visibility. Let's see how this looks. Let's just do yeah, that's good. Okay, so yeah, then we know that it's actually like producing. And there we go. We're meeting our, oh shoot, it exploded. Oh, that's a splitter. Repair. Okay, we're good. Good. Repair. We can get some particle effects in here, and I think it would be crazy. Yeah, definitely we need some particle effects. But honestly, that's looking pretty good. However, we should also add to the producer. This is this tile spawner. Let's add this and let's give this Gaussian stretch. And same with the acceptor or collector, I should say. This snap should go in here. We'll spawn item. Spawn item spawner. No. Spawner. If get parent, we'll do this. We'll do this. Instead of tile, we'll do if get parent. And then the collector. Okay, now I believe we can get some. Yeah, okay, they're producing. Let's see if the collecting works. Yep. Okay, yeah. That's good, good. That looks nice. Good effects. Let's do some particle effects now, because I feel like particle effects. Let's make like a standard dust. And we're probably just gonna reuse this dust like everywhere. Let's go to constructor. Let's do GPU particles 2D. Let's create a new particle here. Let's just put this over here. And it's gonna be an explosion. So explosiveness is 1. And then let's go here. Spawn position. Yeah, that's fine. Angle. Any angle. All that. Okay, velocity. 180. All the way to the front. Initial velocity. Okay, good. Accelerations. No gravity. But we do want dampening, so. Maybe we have too much velocity on here. Okay, now let's do display scale. And then let's set the 16.32. And we'll do a curve here. Curve. No dampening curve. No dampening curve. Scale curve. Okay, we need to have it of a bit less lifetime. Yeah, there we go. And actually, I think its velocity should potentially be less, so we can get more. Yeah, there we go. And its color, display, color curves. Make a new ramp. Make that dark gray. I will make this a little bit lighter. Now, how are we going to randomize that? Are you fully focused, or would you like to hop in VC? I can hop in VC. Although, actually, no. I'm not going to, because I know it will distract me. And I'm I need to get I need there's a lot of things here I need to do. So we're making good progress. But feel free to chat through here and I'll answer questions. It's just I found that when I'm in VC I get extra distracted. Okay, I'm getting distracted now. How am I gonna randomize this thing? Color curves good with a radiant a gradient color initial ramp. Okay. That kind of works, but it's too much. Okay. And this is a one shot. So let's hide that. One shot. Dust. If I let's see, where would dust appear? I guess dust would appear when you repair anything. Where where you know what? We're not even gonna give it a scene. We're just gonna load it in. It's repaired. So we'll do this. We'll do this. Dust scene equals load res colon slash last scenes slash dust. Our dust equals dust scene instantiate instance scene. This is a GPU articles 2D. Then we'll do add child dust play. Let's see if this works. Image is playing. Emitting equals true. I wish there was like an emit on spawn type thing. What's happening? Is it because it's not at 0, 0? There we go. Maybe there's too many particles in the dust. What if we do this? Okay, here's the issue. You repair constantly. There needs to be like a repair cooldown. Hmm. 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 All right, let's figure this out, and then I gotta feed my dog. Let's see. So in the world, let's add a repair cooldown. repair cooldown equals 0. Zero posse. Repair cooldown equals delta. Repair cooldown 0. Oh shoot, I forgot to. Let's get this out of here. Repair cooldown 0. Okay. Now do this. Okay, we need to give repair more, but oomph. Let's see. Where is repair? Okay. Let's give it. How about 0. We should make like a wrench that follows your mouse when. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna feed my dog. I'll be right back. I have returned with an off-brand Pop-Tart in hand. All right, sweet. Pop guys, giving me energy. Okay, so I had an idea. We're gonna make this 3. Pop that up there. See, we'll move this. Into here. Like that. That way we still get the continuous camera shake while we're repairing, but it doesn't constantly. Yeah, okay, that's good. Okay. Oh, let's try. Let's see how it actually looks when we repair it like this. Man, I just love this conveyor belt. I keep seeing it. Looks good. Okay. Catch on fire now for me. Boom. Okay. Well, maybe we should just set the smoke to stop emitting instead of destroying it because well, it doesn't look the best. So we'll do this. Smoke. Let's see. This is a GPU particles 2D. Smoke dot emitting. It's false. We'll actually time to explode. Smoke equals. Okay, yeah. Boom. Do smoke emitting equals true. And then we don't need this spawn smoke. Actually, we do need that spawn smoke. Never mind. Okay, let's see how this looks. Let's see if this looks slightly better. Okay. Now, they all have a smoke particle on them, but they should, when they do catch on fire and we repair them, the smoke should just go away. Fine. Something is happening. Oh. Okay. What was that? What was that? Parent note is busy setting up children. Oh, that's what it is. That's what it is. Call deferred. And we'll do this. Okay. They shouldn't be emitting at the start. Okay. Okay. Now we just gotta wait for them to start breaking down. What I think might be interesting is if we have modifiers where certain tiles in certain levels cause things to break down faster. Or maybe, oh, let's repair that. Yeah, that looks better. Okay. But it shouldn't be constantly shaking. That's what it was. Yeah, I think that what we need to have some sort of like some sort of like way to make the tile placements more interesting. Like you could totally build over this tile, but you have to pay more attention to it because it's going to keep breaking down. Or you could build around and then you can just pay attention to other things. Okay, fix that. There we go. So yeah, that's something we'll do, but I'll do that after I polish things up. Okay, this is looking pretty polished. This looks fine. This looks fine. This looks fine. Oh. Okay, there we go. Yep. Okay. Okay. Dust particle effects. Oh, we should probably also instantiate a dust particle effect when an item dies. So what I mean is item. When an item realizes that it's not on a tile, it just dies. So let's add dust there. So like, okay, so now okay, well, it didn't work because we need to actually add it to the parent. Okay, still not working because we need to set its global position. Dust dot global position equals global position. There we go. Oh shoot, it's on fire. Okay. So yeah. Yeah, so now it's just like you can see when the things die. Um let's see. Let's get some let's test some crafting here. Let's do a little dust like when I don't want to do dust when the constructor constructs things and when deconstruct constructs things, but I think that maybe we'll just leave it alone. Dust when item dies. And let's actually add a dust when it's collected too. Um, when the collect area, when this collects something, you can just add child dust. See if this works. Yeah, that works. Okay, looks good to me. Let's add some sound effects. I think that would be cool. Which means I will be turning on desktop audio. So let's go to the website. Let's get rid of boom, boom, boom. JFXR. Okay. Excuse if it sounds bad at first. We'll figure something out. Let's see. That sounds terrible. Okay, interesting. Can we get it a little bit like 0 1? Hmm. Okay, what sound effects do we need first of all? I think we should have like a list of sound effects. So we definitely need a place one, like doo-doo-doo. We need a um we need a item and then yeah, okay. I think we need to delete a place, a repair, and we'll just go with that for now. Does this sound like a repair to you? Our place. Boom. Maybe less of frequencies. We'll we'll export this and we'll combine it. Export. We'll combine it with the more. Wait. Yeah. Okay. 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 Export this. Let's go to Audacity. Let's overlay these two. That is gonna be our. Doesn't sound very good. Um. Oh, shoot. Okay. You know what? Let's find it. Let's find some pre-made sound effects. Let's go to trial. My library. Game assets. Do we have anything here? No. Okay. No, we don't. Oh, yeah, we do. Here we go. Fortunately, since I don't have any money, we will be downloading it for free. Now let's see if there's anything good in here. We should probably actually look at the license first. Anyway, so in our master, comment down, you're going to press not to sound from the music. I got to distribute sample. If you want to forget some of these samples, okay, cool. The Mint audio. We are just going to copy these into downloads. You're going to listen to them. Huh, okay. Okay. It's obviously coin. Notes. Here's the issue. I don't think any of these are going to work for building. What to look for in terms of sound licenses? Commercial game? Anything? Okay. So, you either want to, if you're not going to buy it and you're just taking it off of something. I'm not a lawyer. I'm just gonna tell you what my experience is. I think that what if you look for something that has like a CC0 license, that's free to use. If it's like an attribution license, it might be like CC3 attributions. The game jam is still going on, Henry. I'm just talking about like sound effects, and so yeah, I think getting anything that says like attribution required is fine. You just got to put in the credits that you used it. Um, anything that says you are free to use this, like CC Creative Commons licenses are good. Some things like basically you can just kind of read it and see what it says. Like I'm gonna look at not itch. Let's look at Kenny, the website I have, because there's some good stuff. Kenny, his licenses will say you're free to use this pretty much however you want, and so you're pretty good to just go ahead and stuff. Yeah. Let's see. This might be good. Oh yeah, we can do like some card sounds, replacing conveyors. Trace. This could work too. And I don't have any money to donate to you, Kenny. So, no, here. Sorry. Oh yeah, wait. This is good. This is good too. Music jingles. Nah. Digital audio. Audio. No. We will just download this. All right. Why am I being called? I will answer this. I'll be right back. I have returned again. All right. Sound effects. Let's see which ones are going to be good here. Let's see. I think that taking an impact effect is probably what we got to do. So let's just extract this. Okay, so I'll just show you my game idea since we got time. Teeny Factory is the name right now. Basically, you got a time limit, 60 seconds. Build a factory, produce this quota. But, you know, not everything's well. Okay, so let me just show you what happens when you go ahead and you start building a factory. Right. Oh, I misplaced this. You start building. I placed this wrong again. Okay. So, you know, you're just having fun building your factory, but little did you know, it starts catching on fire. And you got to put out the fires as they start. And if you don't put out the fires, well, it starts blowing up. And and you got to replace the tiles back. So it's basically, oh shoot, so fix. Build a factory, produce the quota, um, and yeah, prevent your factory from blowing up. There, I met the quota. Oh, and there's also going to be like a leaderboard for who can get the most points. You get points for producing above quota, and you lose points for producing the wrong item. So, yeah, this is the plan here. Okay. I haven't really researched the leaderboard, and today is the last day, so it's the after I do sound effects, it's the next thing I'm gonna do. Um, but it's not gonna be a standard leaderboard. It's gonna be like a histogram type thing, where like you can see if you know have you ever done a human benchmark and you see you're in the top like this percent, like it'll be like a hump, and like most of the people are in the hump, but then there's like the curve where like the better people are, and like that's it'll show you like where on that curve, yeah. Um, so yeah, it'll be like, oh, you were and you had the top blank percent effect. Anyway, let's get these sound effects working. Um, okay. Did we extract Kenny impact sounds? Excuse me. Audio. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of sounds. Oh, my thing is dying. Okay. Let's just listen to these. Maybe we should just actually just import these into the project, all of them. Boom. Where's the where the okay, there's the files. Okay, footsteps. Okay, this one's pretty good. Footstep carpet 3. Although, I kind of like footstep concrete 0. Okay, so we're gonna need to do some sort of audio system real quick. Let's go to the game. Let's give it. We could do an auto load. I realize. Yeah, we can do that. Okay, create new script. Let's call this audio. GD. So basically an autoload is like a singleton, but for GD script, because GD script doesn't have statics. Globals, call this, let's go audio. Audio, add. Oh shoot, but we can't export things. So we're gonna delete that. We're not gonna have that. Boom. Instead, in static, this is my new GD script discovery. I can just make one static class and put a bunch of stuff in it, and it'll just act like static, like static variables. Class name, audio. No, not audio server. Audio. Ready. Static.audio. Audio equals self. Boom. Boom. There we go. And then we'll put a function on this. Be like play sound. This will be string. And what we'll do is we'll have a dictionary. We'll do export sounds. No, maybe we shouldn't. We'll do place sounds equals this. Give it an array. And then we're gonna hard code this, because why not? Our sound equals no. If sound name equals place, sound equals place sounds dot pick random, and then we need audio stream playback to D node. Do we not? Back. Not new. I've never done this. I don't know how to do this in GD script actually. Wait. How to create audio player GD script. Oh, so we can just do player equals audio stream player dot 2D dot new, and then player sound, and then do add child stream. No, add child player play, and then player dot queueFree dot call deferred call. Is there like a call later? Let's see, invoke function after delay. Get out. How do I wait? Okay, hopefully let's see if this works. And then we can do tile when it finishes placing. We'll do static.audio dot play. We'll do place. And then we'll go into the game. We'll add a node 2D. Call this audio. Give it the audio thing. we're gonna give it all the different concrete ones. So we're just gonna give it the concrete ones for now, because footstep concrete up, and we have to mark it as an object, which is a little annoying. This is one thing I find kind of annoying about Godot is the typing stuff for GDScript, and then like having weird, just like weird things with having to set the type when you add it to an array, and then you can drag it over. Like, I don't know, just not the best. Okay. Let's see if this works. Although, audio stream player. Let's look at the. We need its attenuation to be 0. You know, I thought about doing Unity for this, and um, I was like, you know what? I don't want to install Unity and wait that whole time. And you know, it might be cool to practice more with Godot. So, yeah, that's the truth. Attenuation equals 0. All right, let's hear this. This might be the most abrasive sound you ever heard. I don't know what's gonna happen. It didn't play anything. Ah. Um. Okay. Well. Why is the stream null? It's sound name equals place. Did I play place? Sound equals sound. Yeah, there's a sound here. So why? Why is it? Why can't I hear it? Is the audio muted or something? No. What? Is the sound effect just not playing? Oh, it's just super quiet. Why is it so quiet? Interesting. Okay, so we'll just set the player dot volume dB equals 20. Ooh. Yes. Yes, there we go. There we go. That's what we're talking about. And then the panning strength should be 0. Like 0.5. Not like that. The issue is it's always in the left ear. So we'll just set this to 0. Hi, Warhead. Well, you get to see. Can you hear the sound effects, by the way? Are you able to hear the sound effects? Okay, but they're very low. This is about. Oh, what about that? Is that better? Oh shoot, everything's blowing up. Loud. Okay. How about that? How about that? Maybe probably still loud. Yeah, this is this is my tycoon for the GMTK. Hey, there's one sound effect here that is really abrasive. It's like um which one is it? We will find it out. Oh, is it not gonna let me like listen to it? No. I'll just have to. I think it's this one. Yeah, so this is the factory game. Okay, well that didn't fix it. Try deleting this one. Yeah, there we go. Maybe it's a bit too loud. Now we need a sound effect for the explosion. And the destruction. So let's see. Let us delete the sprint sound effect first of all. And we need to find a sound effect explosion. Not a punch. Impact sounds, interface sounds, digital audio, explosion. We need to look at like free sound or something. But I feel like Kenny would have a sound effect here. Okay, yeah, there's some explosions in there. Okay, audio. Guess we just extract this again. Audio takes up a lot of space actually, because audio is like when it's in waveform, it's like just raw audio data, which kind of needs to be has 44,000 samples or 48,000 samples for 1 second, just the sound like good. Because when you go below that, it starts sounding like really bad. Okay, let's see. Okay, no. That could be fire though. It could be our fire sound effect. I'm definitely bringing this in for fire here. Stir fire. What? What type of engine is that? This sounds like a musty old tractor. What the? No way. Where's the explosions? Hello? Oh, I think I just skipped over it. Here's low frequency explosion. Well, not really. I want a high frequency explosion. That's just like a boom. Explosion crunch. Here we go. Okay, that's too sustainy. Okay, that's too warbly. I don't know what that is. Sounds like a chocolate tumbling. I think we can use this one. Explosion. Okay. And we'll just do explosion sounds. Explode. Explosion. Explosion sounds like random, but we only have one explosion sound, so it's just going to be here. And then let's go to conveyor. This randomware is gonna have a audio stream player. And it's going to have fire. Its volume is going to be 15 because it's so quiet. Okay, maybe that's too much. 10. Let's give it a 5. Maybe 3. And then attenuation of 0. 0. Let's say 0. Panning strength is 0. Max blah blah blah. Stream paused. Okay, and then we'll just set this to playing. Just this fire. Randomware. Fire dot playing equals true. And then we'll do fire dot playing equals false. All right, let's see. You spelled conveyor. Is there 2? No, I didn't. What do you want about? That's correct. Oh my gosh, I did. Man. Well. Oh well. Oh well. I'm not fixing it. Why can't I hear it? Okay, well, we need to tweak that sound effect for sure. I'm not fixing conveyor. It's gonna stay how it is. Okay, stop. Why are you so loud? Oh, hold in your tears. Hold in your tears. It'll be fine. Okay, I'm not a monster. I'm not a monster, Henry. I'm not hearing any fire. Okay, but I'm hearing a lot of explosions. Well, let's look at the tiles. Level. Node. Randomware. Fire. It's not playing. But there's smoke. It is emitting. Why? Randomware. Fire. Dot playing equals true. Oh, we need to make it loop. We need to make it loop. Restore fire. Loop. Re-import. Okay. There we go. Boom. Boom. at that. That's kind of cool. It's just like it's a block of conveyor. It's a 16 by no, it's a 8 by 8. Hold on. Oh my god. I still can't hear the fire. Why not? Just for now. We'll set this to 0, 0. Like it kind of does sound like everything around. Oh my gosh. It blew up. It was just instant explosion. Okay. I do not hear the sound effects. What is happening? What? Why? Why now? You were going so good. The progress was amazing. And you had to ruin it. Randomware. It's playing! It's playing its sound effect. Why can't I hear it? What the heck? What the heck? Autoplay. You're gonna have playing and have autoplay on. You're gonna destroy my ears. Come on. No, you're not. Oh. It doesn't want to play the sound. What is this? What is this? Does it work for anything else? What about explosion? Oh, I know why. Godot, you son of a gun. Godot, you son of a gun. I know why. I know why. Because we have to check a box here somewhere. Audio, enable 2D. Come on. Come on. That is hmm. Alright, it's gonna catch on fire any second. Come on. Come on, gamer. There we go. Absolutely disgusting sounding, but this will be resolved. Maybe we should only have it so only one of it should play at once. um. Um. Yeah, we'll do this in our audio. Fire. Sound. Um. Stop. Fire. Fire. Play. Count equals 0. Fire. Play count equals 1. If fire play count equals 0. Fire dot playing. 'False. play. We'll do the opposite. We'll do fire plus equals 1, but only after. If it equals 0, then set it to true. And we're going to move this to audio here, and then we don't need this actually, and a random where. Let's instead do static.audio.stopFire, static.audio play. Okay. Static.audio.play fire. And that's an issue too. Okay, so we need to stop fire. We explode. Bro, why is fire still playing? $18. What the? Why did what? Why was it 18? Oh. 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 That's a bug. Well, it's because it's trying to catch on fire when it hasn't actually been placed yet. Um, if tile, well, there's no tile. If get parent dot placed, if not get parent dot placed, return. All right, see ya. Fantastic. Not sure how to say your name. Okay. Something's still not right. Okay. 5. Oh, okay. That's when you destroy it. On destroy dot emit. And then where? Get parent dot on destroy. Yay, there we go. Okay. Connect to destroy. Not call it. There you go. All right. Hopefully this works now. Okay, no, it didn't work. Hmm. Hmm. Perhaps it is here. That's right. Destroy. Ah, there we go. Now it works. Except we need to not do this because it destroys itself, so yeah. Okay, I think the fire sound works now. That's good. Because when you replace it. Hmm. Okay, but this should work. The amount of edge cases here. Yeah, there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay, audio works for fire. Great. Although we do need to edit. Let's just open. See. Desktop. Good go. Projects. GMTK. Audio. Explosion crunch. We need to modify this. No. Have a greater attack. What? We need to get a little bit of boom in here too. So let's get this low frequency explosion. Okay, and then let's try putting in like this. Okay, that's pretty not terrible, yes. Doesn't have that explosion feeling. Maybe we should find something on Freesound to give us more of an explosion feeling. Okay, yeah, this is good. Download the sound. Okay, let's pop this into Audacity. Get this. Okay. Zoom in. Okay, there we go. That's not bad. Projects GMTK audio explode, and then export audio explode. Export audio. Oh, wrong. GMTK 2024 audio explode. Okay, let's see how this sounds. Let's see how this sounds. Hopefully this isn't too loud. Woohoo! That's kind of good. That sounds impactful. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. Um, yeah, that's good. Okay. Hi, codename. I just added explosions. Explosion sound effects, actually. Um, and now I'm thinking about adding some music. I don't think I have time to write any music, so we're gonna go find some music. This game is about maintaining a factory that is falling apart as you try and meet a quota and a time limit. So you can see like it explodes over time. So you gotta go in, you gotta fix it, prevent it from exploding, craft resources together. See like that, and yeah. I need to make a sound effect for like producing and collecting stuff too. Putting out fires, because if you let the fires go off, well, your machine's gonna explode and you're not gonna meet the quota like I did. Got right. Let's see. Explosion. But let's go. Let me find. Let's find some music. Open. Sometimes there's good music on here. That's probably not gonna fit. I don't think this would fit with the game. But it's kind of cool sounding. What's the license on this? CC0. This in older versions, you are free to share, adapt, attribution. We'll come back. We're looking for some sort of factory sounding music. Interesting, but not what I'm looking for. Actually, that could be interesting. We do like factory. And it'd be kind of cool as the timers, as the times go up, like it gets more intense. No. Why? What the? Okay. I want it to be a little bit silly though. Okay, wait, actually go back. That's not too terrible. I guess if I have time, I could always go back and write some music. And we could use this for like a menu screen. Actually, this is perfect. Wait a second. It has like normal, and then like intense. Like we could transition to it as like the thing gets like more more intense. And then this is the menu. It's like before the game or something. Or this could be like when you get your score. What is this? CC is 0. Perfect. Yes. Yes. All right. Also sound effects. So yeah, we'll look at this. Um. Yes. This is good. I like finding music that I like. I think I like decently fits. Let's look at the info document. Classically trained booster, blah, 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 20 years experience, research. Check out my portfolio. You know what? I might like your music. Okay, let's import these. Import them. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we're gonna have 3 states. Let's see. We're gonna go to, let's see, star music state equals music state equals menu, and then we'll have 3 audio players here. This will be menu. Okay, menu. We'll have play, which will be stage 2. We'll have play intense, which will be stage 3, and then we'll have finish. And what we'll do is we'll on ready. We'll have all of these. Well, we'll give these a minus 30 volume. This one will have a 0. So let's see how that sounds. Okay, good. That works. Let's see. Camera has fixed lerp. We're gonna steal the fixed lerp from here. Okay, and then what we'll do is we'll do an update here. Process. Hold on, I'll be right back. Alright, everybody. I'm gonna be ending the stream for now. Thank you so much for watching. We've made a lot of progress. I'll see you, everybody. Bye.